Namaskar. I'm Ajit Kumar Mahindra, and this is my wife Shalini. We are both retired government servants. Our hobby has been gardening for all our lives, and you're right now on the terrace of our complex at Himayatnagar. You can see the garden that we have grown. Besides the flowering plants that we grow, adeniums, cosmos, this is a curry leaf plant. We grow vegetables. This is a curry leaf plant, organic. We don't buy curry leaves from the market. This has a flavor which is much more than that of the curry leaf that you get commercially in the market. That's a hybrid variety. Temple tree. And here's a cute little bonsai of pomegranate. You can see the little buds and fruits that are coming in. We harvest it about the time of Sankaratri, Pongal, ginger, and here some of these plants are radish, red radish, which is used a very beautiful salad, and these little ones are nol coal. My cacti collection is about 20-25 varieties. Inside an old tire, I have grown a papaya tree. I may not get many fruits, but papaya is supposed to be an excellent remedy for platelet, increase of platelets in dengue. A lot of people come and collect it, those who have been infected. I have planted some coriander, my small collection of succulents, my latest. I have started making landscapes using rocks. This is calcrete. I have made it into a landscape and made a little bit of a rockery inside it. A landscape of cacti in a porcelain container. A bonsai holder with the same rock, all made at home. You can see a detailed video of this on my site Ajit Kumar Mahindra on YouTube. Here is something that we are doing for the environment, myself and Shalini. This is something which is now ready. What you're seeing is a bioenzyme. This is a beautiful cleaning agent for your toilets. It is totally organic. This contains 100 grams of citrus peels, pomegranate, pineapple, lemon, oranges, and to that we add about 100 grams of jaggery, a tablespoon of yeast, and 10 liters of water. That is also available on the YouTube. This is the garbage, vegetable garbage, that is a waste that we collect from various houses in our own complex. And we put it in a container, an ordinary plastic container to which a few holes have been made at the bottom and on the side. And about a week or twice a week, I add this compost maker, which I have just buy from Amazon, little quantity. This would last me about more than 6 months. Another of our contribution to the environment. This is a water harvesting plant that I have set up on my rooftop. Mind you, this is a multi-storied complex and not an independent house. And I collect water from the rooftop. This is about 400 square feet area, and this passes through a filter. All the water passes through a filter where all the sediment is removed, and then we collect this water inside tanks like these. I collect about, I have a storage capacity of 5,000 plus liters. This water not only is used for the garden, extremely good quality water. I use it for my garden and as well for my bathroom. I have connected it to my flush tank, so I don't need to use municipal supply or any other. Let me show you the quantity of the reason for my blooming garden. The vegetable waste that you saw, let me show you the end result of this vegetable waste. This is the end product. Some of it has been just recently added. This is the final product being put into the plants. This is yet to be made. This vegetable waste is so much that I not only use it for my garden, but I share it with friends and family. You can come and collect from my house. Now these coconuts are also, I break them into small pieces and soak it in water. After some time, the powder that comes out is cocoa peat, which is an excellent water absorbent, and I use it for my plants so that in summer, even with little water, my plants do not die. Hope you like your small effort in making the environment friendly during this lockdown period. This garden has been one source of giving a lot of comfort to our neighbors, our flat owners. They all come and spend their evening here, and this pleasant air and the beautiful flowers helps them to be out of the depression. I thought that was something that I did as my contribution to society. Dhanyavad.
धन्यवाद.